A very strong October for stocks. A lot of talk about a Fed pivot. But what do you think, Joyce? Can investors bet on a less aggressive Fed?
I think the markets have become much more hopeful that we're past the peak of central bank hawkishness, but there's still more Fed tightening to come. So yes, the pace of will slow by the Fed for tightening, but we think this is going to continue into 2023. And I think it would be a mistake for the central banks to call for an early end to this fight against inflation. We're still, a long ways away from where the target is. And I think the core inflation is going to remain at levels that are still multiple percentage points above their target. So I think there's a question on whether the worst has passed, but we're still looking for further Fed hikes, and also for the Bank of England. The market's been debating 50 or 75. We still think it's 75 basis points, but you have had some market relief here that just perhaps we are at the peak.
Retailers are talking about sitting on higher inventory going into the holiday season. There's been talk of promotions and high discounting. If we start to see the consumer, Joyce, really pull back, could that accelerate the drawdown in inflation? I guess the question is, when does inflation really start to move lower?
Well, we are seeing that consumers are working through these buffers. I mean, at the start of the year, we had 14% of GDP in excess savings. So those buffers have really been used throughout this year. But what we are seeing is that on earnings, we've taken down the 2023 earnings to 225, really flat in 2023. So I think that you are going to see more pressure on the consumer going forward unless we see the inflation pressures, abate from here. But those buffers, we still have them in positive territory, as we go into 2023.
Energy remains the best performing sector this year. Joyce, President Biden yesterday taking aim at the oil companies here in America once again, accusing them of war profiteering, urging Congress to impose a windfall tax. How do you think this story ends?
Well, look, next week, it's all going to be focused on actually the global tankers capacity, as we get to the December 5th deadline and, the sanctions and the oil price cap. And we really see that Russia has capacity that's off by about 1 million barrels per day. So I think that you're still going to see energy outperform here. It still remains a key overweight call for us. The supply remains tight. Buybacks and payouts are increasing. The energy holdings and equity benchmarks are still low on a historical basis. So I don't think that you're going to see much change there. In fact, there could be more pressure as the year continues.
Okay. Overseas, I'm curious what your take is on what's happening in China. The country's zero COVID policy has certainly been criticized. What's your take on what's happening there, and whether investors can bet on a turnaround?
Well, I do think that the message that we've heard from the government, is sort of very consistent, that we are looking at a period where, we're in for a medium-term outlook for slower growth. So we still have growth at China, at 3% this year. But I think you will see some recovery. The question is, when will you see them, able to really abandon some of the enduring pandemic policies that we've seen in place so far? And also, there's the drag on real estate and on property that still continues. So I think that, you could see some bounce back off of the lows that we've seen this year, just given how much that market has come off this year. But I think the ongoing medium-term pressures are still in place.
Export bans, the military drills we're seeing around the region. I mean, the expectation is that we continue to see the United States and China continue to decouple. How does that change the investment opportunities across China? Where should they be looking if they still want to prosper off of the rising middle class and so many other great things that are happening across that country?
Well, I think consistent with our global call, it's still really looking at some of the energy and the commodity sectors in China. One thing we've taken a very close look at is that, China continues to have, a lot of stockpiling of commodities. And if you take a look at global inventories, I mean, they have some of the highest inventories, in commodities. So I think the commodities and energy and, even agricultural commodities more broadly are still the areas to look at, in China, but also more broadly in the global markets.
Yeah, speaking of that, Joyce, I know you've been bullish on Brazil, a commodity-producing nation. Curious if your outlook has changed given the election result we received yesterday. Lula da Silva, a left-leaning leader, will now be in charge.
I think what everybody's looking at is what will the cabinet appointments be in Brazil, and he's listed some names that are very familiar to the marketplace right now, which I think the markets reacted very favorably to. Beyond the election results, Brazil is the one country that really is done with tightening. So what we've seen is the Supreme Court, Bolsonaro's allies have sort of verified the results and accepted the results. We've also seen that the cabinet appointments could be more market friendly, but also there's a sense that this is a central bank that has actually already finished the tightening cycle, could be one of the first to ease. So that's been one that's been on the radar with investors. Now that the elections are over, I think they will look for where the cabinet appointments will come in, and I think so far the names that have been mentioned have been ones that the market has familiarity with and has seen favorably.